Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. I wanted to real quick remind you that now is the time to put your grub prevention applications out, your grub preventative. That's between now and the middle of July. Just a little bit about how that works. I've explained before in other videos about their life cycle, but it doesn't completely keep grubs out of your lawn whatsoever. What it does is whenever the June bugs will come, they'll lay their eggs, those eggs will hatch, and the preventative will kill the larva early on in their life cycle before they have a chance to start doing damage to your lawn. Once they reach a certain size, the preventative doesn't work. You have to use a different product, and by then they're doing damage to your lawn, eating the root system. So real important to get that done, especially if you've had grubs in the past. You want to get a preventative down. If you see a lot of June bugs on your property or in your lawn, you want to get a preventative down. If you haven't had an issue with grubs or you haven't seen a lot of June bugs, then it's kind of a coin toss. So you might be okay without it, or you might not. Just kind of up to you what you want to do. But if you want to play it safe, go ahead and get the prevention down. It really works, and it'll help save you a lot of hassle with grubs just destroying your lawn. So hope that helps. Have any questions about that or need any help with that, just let us know. Thanks.